RC car. But we are gonna be driving this RC car. Do you think we're smashing it? Heck no! This sucker doesn't wow.
Try to ramp off the porch and do another flip.
Okay. Yo, when you guys, while I wasn't filming, I did like this sick thing. Like, we're doing very fast off like that ramp, and then like seriously like. Oh, it's so close. It was so close. Yeah, we're going to smash it. It's beautiful.
Okay. And next video when I think I kind of got that. So next, I think I got that. Next video, it's gonna be either tomorrow or on Thursday. We are going to be riding around in an ATV
Where?
up the street.
Oh, okay.
That it's either tomorrow or that thing got ripped.
I want to get in with tonight.
Go up the hill. This video is probably going to be 5 or 6 minutes long. It's just, oh, you get it? The car's coming. I thought there was. Ride it on the back, right? Wait, let's see if it can ride it.
Look, guys, make sure they get this. Look, guys, I gotta show you. Oh, there's a car coming.
There's a car coming. Oh!
Oh.
Yo, okay, guys. So the RC car almost got crushed by a car.
You need to be a little bigger.
I don't think it's the RC car's fault. I think it's your fault. Wait, let's see what it's like if I. This is kind of sick. This RC car was pretty good. It was $100, and we will be doing the third part of us riding around an RC car. Okay. Okay, I heard.
Okay, guys. I think that might be it of it. I know, just
You ride around a little bit.
All right, guys. The cameraman got to go.
Yeah. But we're still gonna make.
Sorry if the filming's not that good. Don't blame me. I'm trying to drive.
You want me to set it up like it was in the mailbox?
Yeah, we're just.
Okay, we're gonna do a setup. The setup might not be 100. I hope you're getting it good.
Guys, I don't know why the film's like that. Okay, guys. So let me just set it up. Set her up, and
I'm coming.
that's it, guys. So like and sub, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I at least want like 10, like 5, 3, like 10, like 5 likes. Because this RC car costs $100. I will do a part 2.